Magandang araw, housemates. Welcome sa aking bahay. Sa huling semester sa aking bahay, nais ko na malagpasan ninyo ang lahat ng pagsubok at naway mapagtagumpayan ang hamon ng buhay. Please, introduce yourself.
Hello po, I'm Harvey, ang introvert po ng Laguna.
Hi guys! I'm Ira, ang kikay achiever ng Cainta Rizal.
Hi there, I'm Lindsay, ang challenger ng Negros.
Hi, I'm Jenny, ang silent struggler ng Quezon City.
Hello, I'm Jess, expressive girly ng Pampanga. Guys, parang hindi na uubos yung deadlines natin this week. I also felt lost this sem. And medyo nalilito ako kung paano i-navigate ang settings per course sa my portal.
Ganito kasi yan. You have to work it as done first. Then the other deadlines of the activities will appear on the dashboard. Nung una, talaga nag-struggle din ako to understand the UI of our site, pero once you get the hang of it, it will be like second nature in managing tasks.
I should have known that stuff na. Ang tagal-tagal na natin ginagawa to. I should have known. Guys, nakakahiya. This is so frustrating. It's my fault for not seeing the deadline because I forgot to check the course site. It doesn't matter if wala siya sa dashboard. I should have known better. Now, everything's piled up and I don't know what to do. This is all my fault.
Says, hey, can you look at me for a second? Says, look at me. Says, 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 says.
Ano ba yun, Harvey?
Finally! Look, sis. No matter how much you tried to convince yourself that you should have done better, that somehow you magically knew what you did wrong, it wouldn't stop there. You're just gonna keep pushing yourself whenever something doesn't go your way. So just let yourself breathe. Don't say yourself with of all this. If in the end, you don't even feel the sense of accomplishment anymore. You don't feel happy. Just believe that it's done. We have to keep breathing so we don't lose ourselves. And if you think you're falling behind, you're not.
Sa bawat pagsubok, may kakibat na tagumpay. Naway huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa. Magtiwala kayo sa kakayanin ninyo. Scholar, ako may tiwala sa inyo na magtatagumpay kayo sa buhay.
Okay, so if I move this deadline here and adjust this activity, that should work.
Yes, you're doing great. I can see you're figuring it out. Don't stress yourself. Step by step. We got this.
Thanks, Harvey. I don't know what I'd do without your help.
You manage somehow. But hey, teamwork make it easier, right?
All done, finally.
Thumbs up.
Wait, why does this activity show as incomplete? I already submitted everything. Or did I miss something again?
Okay, I see what happened. You submitted it, but you didn't mark it as done in the dashboard. The title step actually triggers the next activity to appear.
Oh, so that's why the next task didn't show up. I was thinking I did something wrong.
Exactly. It's a small thing, but it can be confusing at first. Don't worry, you're not messing up. You're just learning the system. Everyone struggles with that at first.
Ah, okay. I get it now. Thanks, Harvey. I was overthinking it too much.
That's normal. I think it's just taking it step by step. You get this. I'll get you whenever you're stuck.
All right, step by step, I think I can do this. I just feel like no matter how hard I try, it's never enough. Everything's piling up and I can't keep up.
Says, hey, breathe. Look at me.
I'm sorry, I shouldn't be like this. I shouldn't be struggling.
No, says, you don't need to apologize. Everyone breaks sometimes. That doesn't make you worth it. Makes you human. You're not falling. You're not behind. Look at what you've done already. All the effort you put in, that counts more than you know.
Thank you. I didn't want to disappoint anyone.
You can never disappoint me, says. Just take it one step at a time. I got you. Says, I know it feels overwhelming sometimes, and I know you feel like you're falling behind. But you're not. You're not falling behind. You're carrying more than people ever see. And when it's hard, I see you. I see everything you're doing, and it matters.
Don Harvey, we actually did it.
I know you could. Look at this. Everything fits perfectly.
I can't believe all those late nights actually paid off. I'm proud of us.
Mito says, teamwork really does make things easier. And hey, we survived the chaos.
Next time, maybe we were all-nighters?
We'll see about that. But for now, let's celebrate. And done. Finally.
Oh my gosh, it's really over.
I know, right? We survived, and I didn't even cry. Well, not too much.
I can't actually we made it. I almost pulled my hair out.
Uh, I'm glad it's over. That was stressful, but fun, I guess.
See? Told you. Teamwork makes it better.
Yeah, we really did this together.
Plus, no one got left behind. That's what counts.
Oh, I feel like a huge weight left on my shoulder.
Mission accomplished. Finally.
We made it!
We made
We
it!
made it!
It!
Here it is. The moment of truth.
Oh gosh, I can't look.
Just click it already!
1, 2, 3. Oh my god!
Please, 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 please.
OMG, guys, congrats!
Yes! We did it! Finally!
No way, we actually did it.
Yay! Yes!
This calls for a digital party! Woo!
Best teamwork ever!
Yes! Hey! Congrats again. We really did it, huh?
Yeah, I can't believe it. It's finally over. I was so stressed.
I know. But we pulled through together. Couldn't have it done without you.
Aw, you're sweet. But you worked just as hard, Harvey.
I guess. It just feels different, you know. Doing it with you. It was fun.
Fun? You mean more than just a project?
Yeah. More than just a project. Since uh I I like you. Not just a friend, but I guess my feelings for you are more than that.
Harvey,
says, I understand if your feelings towards me is not reciprocal, but I
I like you too.
I'm glad you meet someone as amazing as you, says.
Congratulations, scholars! Napagtagumpayan ninyo ang lahat ng pagsubok. Hangad ko ang magandang kinabukasan para sa inyong lahat.
Can you believe it? It's finally here. We made it after all these nights.
Yeah, I still can't believe it. We survived the madness. I feel proud.
Feels surreal, right? Like 1 minute we're stressing over deadlines, and now this.
You know what, guys? Sobrang proud ako sa ating lahat. Deserve natin to. Congrats again!
All the hard work, all the stress, it was worth it.
And we managed to even not kill each other. You know? That's a win for us.
Barely, but yeah, I'm ready.
All right, countdown to the big moment.